Hello everyone, welcome back to the series. I'm Prasad and you are watching 2 Minutes Notepad++. So in this session we are going to talk about what are the most used keyboard shortcuts that you'll need in day-to-day life. Some of them are quite obvious, some of them are quite new for you guys, but it is very important to know all of them. So first let's start with very basic things. If you want to traverse in forward direction letter by letter, you can simply use the forward key. If you want to traverse back, then you can use right key. If you want to go up or down, you can use same up and down keys for the free traversal within the text. Now you want to select the text letter by letter. So for that we need to hold shift and then the left arrow. If you want to move forward while selecting the text, so we can move letter by letter while selecting the text. So till now we are moving letter by letter, but what if I want to move word by word? So for that we need to hold Control and then the arrow keys. For example, if I want to move one word further, then I'll hold Control and the forward key. In same manner, if you want to go one or two words back, then I'll hold Control and the back key. For selecting one whole word in one go, we'll simply use Control, Shift and forward key. Again for selecting second word, and here we go. Most of the times we need to find something in the text. So there's option called Ctrl plus F to open up the find tool. Then you can type the keyword and simply enter to find its next occurrence. By pressing escape, you can close this find tool. So yeah, these are some basic keyboard operations that you should know in Notepad++ for efficient day-to-day operations.